morning, guys. So it is 8:15, and yes, I'm wearing glasses because my eyes were like really super sensitive this morning. We're just on the way to the venue right now. I am going to take you along a fun day with me. I've mentioned before in my videos that I also co-own an event florist business. We have a wedding today. I'm really excited. It's very like industrial warehouse kind of vibes, but we're gonna glam it up. We're gonna make it look all luxe and classy. So yeah, I'll catch you at the venue.
You tore it out of me, a heart so full of unbelief, the part that others rarely see. She suffered enough, knowing that I won't walk away. And if you could tell,
This is Terry. Hi. A few of my friends have always kind of wanted to see like a behind the scenes, follow along, show us what it's like, setting up and everything like that. So I thought it would be a great opportunity. This is actually a really, really, really great day to be able to show you behind the scenes because this is going to be the first wedding this venue has ever hosted. I don't know. This is going to be the first wedding in this venue, so it's very exciting. We set up all these drapes and stuff like that last night. The look is very like luxurious, soft, elegant. You get that vibe. You're gonna see my business partner Mel as well. So I got us coffees to start the day off with because this is morale and is necessary. Anyways, let's get to it. Let's get to work. Okay, so this is what we set up yesterday. Ooh. We need to set up another set of that up on that side over there. So yeah, we're gonna start off doing that today. Like I said, the look is very like soft and elegant. Ignore this little thingy right here. Unfortunately, there's like this ugly chandelier that we cannot get rid of, so we had to cover it up. So anyways, this is gonna be where the arch is, right here where they say I do. So yeah, you're gonna see us setting that up.
each passing glance won't feel the same. Lights dancing off you now. Or just to be someone you teach yourself, avoid the sun. Conclusions made we're on the run. She suffered enough.
So yeah, you can tell that it's actually a massive venue, giving industrial warehouse vibes, which, is very Melbourne. There was about 300 guests for this wedding, and the bride kind of wanted to make the entire space a little bit more intimate. And so we just had a bunch of this material that we're just draping along the sides just to close in the space a little bit. It's not really meant to completely close it up, but just to give a little bit more of an intimate feeling. I honestly feel like weddings are such a personal thing. I think that it is very, very much up to you and your personal style. So we actually started this business back in 2020 in the middle of COVID, literally making bouquets in the boot of our car. So we started just by doing flower bouquets because Melbourne was locked down. So the flower industry ended up booming during COVID because the only way that you could celebrate people was by sending flowers. Like, you couldn't physically see them, you couldn't do nothing. And along the way, we've learned so much just about each other, about ourselves, and it definitely is a passion project. I did work in the industry for a while at actual florist shops and then freelancing as an event florist. And so I did get quite a lot of experience, by working under other people. I learned so much. But then at the end of the day, I think it's so much more fun just being your own boss. Like, you get to call the shots, you get to help plan the wedding with the clients. For us personally, it's one of those things where we like to control the amount of weddings that we do so that it doesn't become just a mundane, money churning thing. It's not really about the money for us. It's about a way for us to be able to do something we love, like together, you know, as friends.
You don't need to know me now. Standing underneath the clouds, there's no one I'd rather be with right now. Rain is falling on the ground. Make our way through the crowd. There's no one I'd rather be with right now.
And here I am actually just reflexing all these roses. That's what actually really gives it that really big luxurious pop, you know. I feel like closed roses are more of a gardeny look, whereas the flexed ones are like luxurious, bang, this is a luxe kind of wedding. And so if y'all are wondering why roses cost so much, it's because it takes so dang long to flex them out. Like, this is real time. This is literally real time, me peeling back each individual petal. Like, y'all need to really understand or respect the amount of work that florists put into weddings, because it is a lot of work. It is a lot of prep. It's a lot of cleaning of the flowers. Flowers don't just come magically clean. You know, we had to strip all the leaves. We had to peel back all the dead petals, like all that kind of stuff. So, you know, if you are planning your wedding, be nice to your florist is all I can say. And I totally understand that this may not be everybody's style. So if y'all are looking at this like, oh, that is ugly, then that is your personal opinion. For us personally, like, we really do love playing with different styles, different kind of colors. This was a white and green wedding because the groom is actually Italian, so it was kind of giving Italian countryside vibes. For us, we really do like to be able to make each wedding unique to the couple, you know, like really play along with the couple's personality. I know this is very different from the normal type of video that I do, but it was honestly so much fun just being able to film a day of us doing this, and editing this is actually super fun as well. Like, I just love looking at the flowers and just taking a little bit of pride in our work. For us personally, this is almost like our creative outlet. You know, we both have other jobs besides this. This is not our main thing. This is more of a side hustle. This is just our chance to be able to like be free, do whatever we want, you know. I mean, obviously according to the client's expectations and standards, but it is really fun, and I do genuinely love it. Done and dusted. Now, time for lunch break. Ha!
Baby, be my bright side, my sugar-coated sunshine. Remind me everything gonna be okay. Honey, without trying, you find my silver linings by kissing on my trouble.
Okay, this is very much a realistic behind the scenes of a wedding florist. I think just waiting, just chilling, dying a little bit. Listen really closely, you can hear the music going on inside. We're just waiting for the ceremony to be finished, and then we're going to grab all the flowers and then take it down to the reception area, which is a cute little venue in North Melbourne. So catch you guys there. All right, so here's another little dose of reality, is waiting for the venue staff to arrive. So here we are, looking like we're homeless florists. It's fine. It's fine. We've only been waiting for half an hour. Everything is fine.
So much more than any other girl I know. You're a shooting star, you're a vintage car, you're a double rainbow. No more the lights can shine as bright as you can. No.
I honestly feel like if you're the kind of person that has this desire to start your own business, or you have this idea, you long to have a creative outlet or something like that. If you're thinking about starting your own thing, your own little side hustle, whatever, these days we gotta generate income, you know what I mean? Diversify your income. Then honestly, what's stopping you? Just go for it. Just do it. If you're so scared of failing, then what a great opportunity to learn, from your mistakes and get up and go again. We have learned so much these past 4 years, even down to like when we argue and when we sometimes get annoyed with each other, learning how to navigate that kind of relationship, friendship, business relationships is all really, really vital to, life. Yeah. Wouldn't trade it for the world.